Hare Krishna, dear devotees. In this video I will show you how to wear sari like a lehenga. So many of you asked me, please make a video, please show how to wear. Some 10 or 15 years ago, His Holiness Bhaktivedanta Purna Maharaj was reading Mahabharata with so many devotees in Mayapur. And there the story of Draupadi came. When Dushasana wanted to remove the sari of Draupadi, then the devotees started discussing that story, and Maharaj told that Draupadi was actually in her period's time, and that time she was having only a single layer of clothes, and it was so bad to bring her to the assembly and trying to remove even that single layer of cloth. So it was so bad. But still, the single layer of cloth was actually sari. So if in her period time she was wearing single layer of cloth, then she told what she would have worn other days. She would have worn so many layers of cloth. From that time onwards, we started seeing 10 meters of petticoats in Mayapur. 10 meters of petticoats are very tedious job to make, and that's why they cost around 800 and up in rupees, and they are made of thick cotton fabric and non-transparent fabrics, and they have different colors. So from that time onwards, we started seeing this kind of petticoats. It doesn't show the shape of your body. It is kind of modest way of wearing your sari. Yes, it is difficult to wear. It's like 2 kgs. When I weigh myself with this sari and petticoat, I become 2 kgs more. But beauty requires austerity too. But the good side is, when I sit in Padmasana or in different postures, it's so easy. I don't have any restrictions like I used to have with that older style petticoats, which are straight and they are so much restricting. So how to wear sari on top of it? The first thing I like is when the sari is very long. I mean, width-wise, sari should be at least 6 meters for me. And if I buy saris, I buy saris with choli piece attached to the sari. And then later I don't cut it, I just keep it. And because of that, the sari length will be very long and it's nice to wear. But if you don't have a lengthy sari, this kind of style won't come because it won't have so many plaits, and your sari will lift up and your petticoat will be visible. It will be so uncomfortable. And when I don't get saris in that much length, like 6 meters, if I don't get it, then I go so crazy and attach similar looking fabric to the end of the sari. Yes, I go so crazy because I have around 40 saris, friends, and all of them are so short. Only 2-3 are very long. And what can I do? I just took same color saris and then attached to each other, and sometimes they are not visible. They just help me to make the sari to have lots of plaits. How to wear the sari, and there are so many videos about it. So one of the videos, I will post the link in the description. She actually showed how to wear it so nicely. But I would add to that one more thing, is that when you roll the sari around your waistline, some people keep it so tight around the waistline, but with this style of lehenga-style of sari, you cannot keep it like that because you need a lot of plaits in the top part, so that bottom part becomes very comfortable, very loose. So that's why you need to put a lot of plaits while you are tying your sari. Hopefully you got my point. try putting a lot of plaits around your waistline when you're tying. Don't worry, some of you may think that my waistline will look so fat if I put so many plaits, because the bottom part becomes so big that your waistline will not look very fat, will not look so puffy. And where to put the sari, where to tie that petticoat? Okay, if you tie it on your waistline above your navel, then you won't be able to breathe, and you will feel vomiting sense, and it's not healthy. So when you're tying your sari, find the navel top, tie it around there. If you go below your navel, then again your legs will look so short, and your stomach will be too much open, so that is also not appreciated. But around your navel, and it also helps you to control your stomach. Like when you eat, that part of the waist becomes so big, but when you're tying with sari, it keeps it in shape. So this is all I have to say about how to wear the sari. Please watch that video. Please watch that girl's video where she is showing how to wear the sari. I also do exactly the same, but I put extra layers, and then I just have different style of petticoat, and your sari will look very neat. Thank you so much. Hare Hare.